friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw something super fun and easy, a ladder.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the sides of our ladder. Draw a long vertical line. Then, draw another one parallel to it. These are the two bars that hold the ladder together. Now, let's add the steps. Start at the top and draw a horizontal line connecting the two vertical bars. Then, keep going. Add 4 more steps below. Wow, look at that! We've finished our ladder. Let's make our drawing stand out. Trace over the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look! Our ladder is dancing now.
Ha-ha! Yay!
It's time to color our ladder with rainbow colors. Here we go. Red color for the top step.
La 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 la.
Orange color for the second step. Yellow color for the third step. Green color for the fourth step.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color for the fifth step. And finally, use purple color for the sidebars. Great job, friends! Look at our colorful ladder. It's amazing. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and cute, a house with hearts. So grab your black markers, and let's start drawing together. Alright, let's begin by drawing the roof. Start by drawing a big triangle at the top of your page. Now, let's draw the main part of the house. Underneath the triangle, draw a big rectangle. Next, let's add a door in the center. Draw a smaller rectangle right in the middle of the house. Now for the windows, let's make them extra special. Instead of regular windows, draw 2 heart shapes on each side of the door. Wow, your house is looking adorable already. Let's make our house even cuter by giving it a face. On the roof, draw 2 big eyes and a happy smiley mouth. Doesn't that look so friendly? Now, let's decorate the house with even more love. Draw small heart shapes floating all around the house. You can put them anywhere you like. Amazing work, everyone! Now, it's time to make our artwork pop. Take your black marker and carefully make the outline bold and sharp. This will really make your house stand out. Look at that! It's looking so nice and cute, don't you think?
Yay!
Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Pink color for the floating hearts. Yellow color for the roof.
La 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 la.
Red color for one side of the hearts. Orange color for the other side of the hearts. Blue color for the door. Purple color for the house walls.
Yay!
Wow, look how colorful and happy our house looks now. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job today drawing and coloring this cute house with hearts. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and adorable, a cute bunny mug. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the mug. Start with a rectangle, but make sure the corners at the bottom are nice and round. This will make our mug look soft and cute. On the side of the mug, draw a big D shape to create the handle. Perfect! Now it really looks like a mug. Let's add 2 long, cute bunny ears on top of the mug. Make them tall and a little rounded at the tips. Now, let's give our bunny a cute face. Draw 2 big, round eyes.
La da 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 dee.
A little heart-shaped nose, and a tiny mouth below it. So adorable! Let's make our drawing even cuter by adding some small hearts around the mug. You can draw as many as you like, this bunny loves love. Now, take your black marker and go over all the lines to make the drawing bold and sharp. Look, our cute bunny mug is ready, and it's so happy, it looks like it's dancing.
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Let's use these colors and make our bunny mug look amazing. Pink color for the nose and small hearts.
Wow!
Blue color for the inner part of the ears. Red color for mouth. Light pink color for the rest of the mug. Yellow color for outer parts of the ears. Whoa! Look at that! You've made the cutest bunny mug ever! You did such an amazing job, friends! Don't forget to share your beautiful drawing with your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time! Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.